52 teams of 8 antique rival wisdoms helped make humanity great. Team quote 2.3. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Frederick Douglass, 1818 to 1895. This powerful quote by Frederick Douglass, the renowned African-American abolitionist, social reformer, and statesman, speaks to the critical importance of early education, nurturing, and character development. The depth of this statement goes far beyond a simple parenting advice. It encompasses several profound insights. 1. Prevention versus rehabilitation. Douglass suggests that investing in children's development, emotionally, intellectually, and morally, is far more effective and efficient than trying to heal or correct deeply ingrained negative patterns in adults. It's essentially arguing for proactive rather than reactive approaches to human development. 2. Social responsibility. The quote implies a collective responsibility towards children. It's not just parents, but society as a whole that plays a crucial role in shaping future generations. Building strong foundations means providing education, support, compassion, and opportunities. 3. Holistic development. Strong children isn't just about physical strength, but about developing resilience, character, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and moral grounding. Douglass, who himself overcame the brutal system of slavery and became a powerful intellectual and social leader, understood the transformative power of nurturing human potential. Given Douglass's own extraordinary life journey, from enslaved person to one of the most influential leaders of the 19th century, this quote carries even more weight. He personally understood how early experiences and opportunities can fundamentally alter a person's trajectory. The statement is a call to action. Invest in children's development, provide them with support, education, and opportunities, and you create the foundation for a healthier, more just, and more capable society. Would you like to get paid for sharing our wearable wisdoms? Keep this in mind. Everyone I know wears a shirt, and most of us change them daily, so change your shirt and change the world. Social equalities are blatantly subliminal antique positive wisdoms repetitively shared without saying a word. Join the 52 of 8 today.